Today, we are going to train your English voice to use all of, none of, some of, some, and most. We use all of, none of, and some of in front of nouns, like it, us, you, or them. All of means 10 out of 10. People, houses, cars, for example. So we are going to use the example of cars. So I could say all of the cars are red. So if there are 10 cars, that means 10 cars are red. All of the cars are red. None of. None of means 0 out of 10 of whichever noun you are talking about. For example, none of the cars are red. So 0 cars out of the 10 cars are red. 0 of them. None of them are red. And the last one, some of. Some of means just a few of the nouns. Maybe 4 out of 10 of the people, houses, cars, for example. So I could say some of the cars are red. So perhaps 4 or 3 of the 10 cars are red. Some of. Let's have a look at some more examples. All of the houses were destroyed by the disaster. That means 10 out of 10 houses were destroyed. All of. None of the houses were destroyed by the disaster. That means 0 houses were destroyed. 0 out of 10. None of. And the last one, some of the houses were destroyed by the disaster. So here we could have an example of 4 out of the 10 houses. So some of. We can also use some and most without a noun. So have a look at sentence 1. Some houses in my street were destroyed, but some were safe. So I have used a noun in part 1 of that sentence. In the first part, I said some houses. So now I know what the noun is. We are talking about houses. So in part 2, or in the second part of the sentence, after the comma, we simply used the word some, but we didn't repeat the noun. We didn't say houses again. Sentence 2. Some of the people in my street swam to safety, but most were saved by boats. So in the first part of the sentence, we know that the noun is people. Some of the people. So in the second part of the sentence, after the comma, we simply used the word most, but we didn't repeat the noun people. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.